Introducing the latest addition to our product lineup, the TIJ 2023 Thermal Inkjet Printer, a technological marvel that is sure to revolutionize the way you handle your printing needs. This printer is equipped with a plethora of features that ensure optimal performance and convenience for its users. With its built-in RTOS embedded intelligent operating system, operator localization system stability and original print driver module, the TIJ printer guarantees high quality, clear and precise printing every time. The TIJ 2.5 hot foam nozzle ensures that the ink is dispensed evenly and at the perfect distance of 2 to 5 mm, providing up to 600 dpi HD quality and adjustable word height of 2 to 12.7 mm. The TJI printer offers a range of ink colors to choose from including black, blue, yellow, red, green, and invisible. With its quad-core CPU processor and 360-degree omnidirectional printing capabilities, this printer is perfect for a variety of applications, including sheet, carton, stone, pipe, cable, metal, plastic, electronic components, auto parts and more. The TJI printer is also versatile in function, offering printing options for Chinese, English, numbers, symbols, logo, QR, barcode, variable data and more. The printer is available in multiple languages including English, Russian, French, Arabic, traditional Chinese, Korean, Danish, and Vietnamese. This printer is the perfect solution for those seeking a low-cost, efficient and easy-to-use printer for their product coding. Its sleek industrial design makes it easy to carry and handle, while the removable battery ensures long-time standby. The TJI printer is also equipped with a free warranty for 1 year, and lifetime warranty on-call support team. With the TJI printer, you can easily print production dates, expiry dates, barcodes, and other important information on your packaging, ensuring that your customers have access to all the necessary information about your products. Say goodbye to expensive printing costs and hello to the convenience of the TJI printer.
There's an N on the top right. Click Open. This is a language. A switch to the system language. This is the system settings change. This is the system time can be based on. Delay time to revise. This is also a language switch. In this case, a setup for sprinkler head. This is the left and right nozzle selection. This print voltage prints with width according to a parameter on the cartridge to debug. The cartridges are clearly marked. Okay, if you don't understand, contact customer service. This is all system information. Let's find the print. This is a print setting. This is a reverse print. Upside down. This photoelectric switch is usually not turned on. There's no photoelectric connection. Just use your finger. This is a continuous print. Generally do not move by default. This is the encoder. The encoder switch he had to turn on. This is an encoder split screen. Jet code speed does not have to change. Let's get the machine first. It opens at editing. In this file, find a new folder. Click New. Then enter the content point text. Type what you want to type. Here is the toggle input method. Can be changed according to their own needs. Enter the first line. To enter the second line, add another text layout. Move. And the third row is the same thing. And then there's a font setting. Tall, italic, tilt angle can be changed according to their own needs. Just check the box when you're sure. Let's go to the edit screen. Find the editor. This layout. Here you can zoom in, This is easier to drag. Better topography, there's a slight tweak. And the addition and subtraction is more intuitive to zoom in and out of the selected content. Delete unnecessary content. Side-click Delete. Here is the insert image. USB interface. Import USB images. Determine. This is an image import. Explain TXT text import. Find the TXT text we have done. A checkbox. Character interception, start line, number of prints. Adjust to your needs. There's a font setting. Adjust according to your own needs. Zoom in on. There is also a QR code generated. Check the box if you are sure. There is a graphic code setting in the upper left corner. You can change the format to suit your needs.